Good morning and welcome. Securing products on a pallet is a global need to ensure that products arrive to their destination in perfect condition. Many of the pallets we need to wrap are irregular in shape. This is a typical pallet that we might see in a logistics application. It has a highly irregular shape, is not stable, cannot be rotated on a turntable, and is often comprised of heavier products on the lower portion of the load and by lighter products higher on the load. Another logistics need is to have a wrapping machine that is self-propelled and can be easily moved to meet changing needs. Big logistics companies often need to wrap products in different parts of their facilities at different times of the year. So, we need a self-propelled machine that can wrap unstable products, that has precise film placement and control, and that can vary and monitor the amount of film pre-stretch and film force to ensure consistently wrapped pallets. Are we asking for too much? No, we are not. Robopac has the solution. It is a pleasure for me to introduce you to our new Robot S7. Thanks, Marco. Marco is helping us by bringing us the new Robot S7 that I am introducing to you. It is, as I mentioned, the newest version of Robopac's best-known wrapper, the Robot. Sold all over the world, it is the only self-propelled portable stretch wrapper in the world with patented Robopac Cube technology. What is Cube technology? It is a patented system that is accessed through our touchscreen interface that lets us use just the right amount of film in exactly the right position. A load cell system allows us to precisely determine how much containment force we are using on the product to keep the product stable and attached to the pallet. This is very important. The Robot S7 is powered with lead batteries with a capacity of 110 amp hours. With one charge of the batteries, the S7 can wrap more than 250 pallets of this size. It comes with a high-frequency internal battery charger that allows us to charge both during breaks in operation or during non-use hours. The charging time is less than 8 hours. For the first time, we are offering a lithium battery option. The lithium batteries allow us to do a quick charge, also known as an opportunity charge. With the lithium battery, it will be possible to partially charge the battery in a few minutes instead of waiting hours for a full charge. For example, during a 15-minute break, you can charge more than 20% of your battery's capacity, similar to how we charge our smartphones. The machine is equipped with a parking brake mounted right above the drive wheel motor. This brake locks the unit when it is not in use to ensure that it doesn't accidentally move if placed on a sloped or uneven surface. The machine can be moved with the new design rudder positioned on the front. The left button allows us to move the machine forward. The right button moves the machine backward. Let me show you. I steer the rudder forward with the left button and then backward with the right button. The S7 robot has another great feature. Even as heavy and sturdy as the machine is, we can now move it even if the battery is completely dead or even removed. We open the casing, and right above the traction wheel there is a lever system that allows us to lift the machine off the floor very quickly. It only takes about a second and a half. At this point, the wheel will not touch the floor, and the S7 will be completely idle. I can move it by pushing or with the rudder. We focused on increasing usability in the design of the S7. We have added an LED indicator to display the charge level of the battery. Even from a distance, it is easy to tell if the robot is fully charged, partially charged, or out of charge. The LED will illuminate in green, yellow, or red, respectively. How exactly does the Robot S7 work? The S7 robot utilizes a mechanical probe that has been implemented on over 60,000 machines that we have placed in the field over the last 35 years. With a track record like that, we know that it is an extremely reliable system. This mechanical probe is a feeler arm that follows the profile of any pallet, whether it is circular, rectangular, or square, or too large for a traditional wrapper. We have added a double encoder on the rear wheels, which allows the S7 robot to know its position 360 degrees around a pallet and to stop exactly in the position from which it started. But let's move on to the performance. Robot S7 is equipped with new power drive technology built around brushless motors. The advantages of brushless motors are that they are less noisy, consume less power, have no sliding contacts, and therefore no brushes to replace. They require no maintenance, are highly reliable, provide constant torque, and above all, a very precise speed adjustment. What are some other advantages of the new design? One is the new PVS film carriage. The new pre-stretch system can reach pre-stretch levels up to 500% thanks to the new power drive technology and brushless motors. Another new performance innovation is the alternative P3GS film carriage. It is a single motor system that allows users to select one of three fixed pre-stretch ratios: 0%, 230%, or 300%. It will also be possible to order a P3GS carriage with lower selectable pre-stretch levels of 0%, 150%, and 250%. Both the P3GS and PVS film carriages are equipped with the new ILS instant load system, which allows fast and safe loading of film inside the film carriage. I will show you. We open the carriage. This door opening allows us to take the film, pull it, and place it inside the slot. It is very simple. I just have to close the door. Right now the film is ready to be used. Let's talk about connectivity. The S7 robot is equipped with Robopac's patented optional R-Connect system. It allows us to monitor important data on the S7 robot remotely. For example, we can view the current charge level of the batteries, the number of pallets that have been wrapped, the amount of film used, broken down by each pallet and by each shift, as well as any alarms. So we can be much closer to the customer. Another great feature of the updated R-Connect system is that for the first time, we can remotely download the correct wrap recipe for a particular load directly into the S7 robot. To recap, what are the benefits of R-Connect? Maximum productivity, optimization, and remote monitoring of machine performance. R-Connect allows for predictive maintenance, so we can address maintenance issues proactively before machine issues cause downtime. It allows for quick problem solving, and it is plug and play. The S7 is already set up and ready to go. It is our answer to the needs of Industry 4.0. Sustainability. Unique attention was given to sustainability. The S7 consumes less electricity than previous models and still wraps up to 250 pallets on a single charge. We have two new auto shutdown functions to protect the batteries and keep them from discharging when not in use. When using the standard auto shutdown, the machine will shut down after 30 minutes of non-use. In the Eco mode, the machine turns itself off after 15 minutes. This will allow us to save energy and to reserve battery charge to wrap additional pallets. If we were to summarize the advantages of the new S7 with three primary benefits, they would be maximum productivity, extreme flexibility, and connectivity to better serve our customers' needs. Thank you for your attention. Please stay connected for the next Robopac demo. I will be saying goodbye and leaving the floor to the new S7 robot. See you soon.